Here it is, Sunday, October 27th of 2024. And a couple days ago, during our live Live Good meeting Friday, which is called Fire Starter Friday, Ben Glinsky, our CEO, Nodder, VP of Marketing and Field Development, and Ryan and Lisa, okay, they're in charge of product information and product development. The Fab Four, they did their Fire Starter Friday meeting, and it was kind of cool because Ben finally released a little concrete information about our co-op and marketing system that's going to be available for the first time ever to everybody that is a Live Good member and affiliate. Okay, now I've been using a funnel system for quite a while, and it's made my income literally jump 10 to 20 times more than if I just promote Live Good by itself. A funnel system works. It's the best. You can direct people all you want straight to Live Good, but it's only going to pay you $25, and then you grow from there. The way I do stuff, I like to make $200 to $400 a day or more. And with the 6 incomes I have, they all 100% have everything to do with making Live Good kick ass. Okay, you're going to need an email campaign. You need a funnel, because if you get a co-op or any type of paid marketing, clicks, or traffic, Live Good doesn't allow you to do that directly to a Live Good capture page. And the capture page is the only way that people can sign up. So you have to do things according to policy, terms, conditions. So I am really good at the funnel thing. All right. And I'll talk about that at the end of the video, because you can get the funnel now. And I'm still going to use the funnel when Live Good finally has their funnel system, email system, marketing campaign, and co-op on red hot, where you can just log in and participate. But as of October 27th of 2024, that is the day that I'm producing this video. Tomorrow, according to Ben, they're going to start releasing a survey to where you can send to people, and they just simply fill out yes, no, and a couple things of interest and info, where they might be suggested products. And it could be related to diabetes. Are you overweight? Do you want to lose weight? Do you want to feel better? Do you want more energy? Do you want your skin to look better? We have products for all of that. And wholesale too, if you want to spend $9.95 a month. Okay? So go to joincory.com and see what I do. Because I'm an affiliate and a member. I use the products. I was using the products before I became an affiliate. I'm one of the biggest fans of Live Good products. I don't care what anyone says. They kick ass. They're amazing. We have the most expensive ingredients, but we're the cheapest because we're a wholesale company. We're not out to retail out the woo-hoo. Okay? Walmart does that. Okay? You can buy our products and sell them on Amazon. You can buy our products wholesale for $9.95 a month and put them in your guts and poop them out. You can sell them in the back of your truck in a gym. Okay? Or if you want to just make some extra money, you guys will figure it out. But you can publicly do that with the approval of Live Good. Most companies that have multi-level pay, they don't allow it. If you're caught doing it, they'll terminate you from the company. Live Good does not do that. We play along with everybody. That's why I'm a big fan of Live Good. It's affordable, $9.95 a month, $40 to be an affiliate just one time. So for $49.95, you guys can come aboard. But I still recommend a funnel where people go to a web page first, and if they'll put their name and email address in, awesome. Then they can get more information sent to them. And if they want to opt out, they can. Live Good is finally going to kick off, and I'm just taking Ben for his word for it. And you know what? This has been delayed anywhere from 3 to 4 to 5 to 6 months. And that's because he wants the surveys perfect. So when people get sent these surveys, if they do fill them out, that it takes them on a nice journey to learn about Live Good and decide, do you want to buy the products? If you're a member, you can buy the products wholesale. If you want to retail them, awesome, and make some extra money. Or if you want to be an affiliate for $40, do what I do. Sell the products now and then for extra money. Buy the products wholesale, put them in your guts. And then get real good at inviting people to a link. In my case, joincory.com. I almost have 400 people signed up that way. All right? I went to GoDaddy, paid $11 for joincory.com. For free, GoDaddy forwards to the Live Good capture page, which everybody gets. Okay? But when it comes to co-op, that means paid traffic, paid leads. People are going to click and look into LiveGood. It's going to be offered through the company. Now, when that portion is going to be available, I don't know, but tomorrow, Monday, which is October 28th of 2024, a survey is supposed to be available for all of us. You're going to get an email, Ben said, to let everyone know that it's active. You're probably going to go in your back office, and there's going to be a tab that might say survey, but it'll be obvious. And then you can just send that out and let people go through the journey that leads to the capture page that leads to signups. I've been waiting for this, and I can't. Ugh, drives me crazy. So I do a video now almost every day just to let people know it's not available yet. But as of Monday, October 28th, Ben said Friday, on Firestarter Friday, that by Monday, he's going to release the survey system. Then probably an email system where you can email somebody and they can hopefully read it, click, and if it goes to the LiveGood capture page after watching a small video, awesome. That's what I do. Okay? So hang tight. The surveys will hopefully be tomorrow. And hopefully shortly after that, the email campaign, the marketing system, and then the co-op, all is going to be available in your back office, all through the company, 100% legit, through policy, terms and conditions, blessed, okay, by the mighty LiveGood Fab Four, Ryan and Lisa, and of course Nodder and our CEO, Ben Glinsky. So get excited. Now, if you want to see what I do, where I send people directly to LiveGood, okay, let me just show you my business card. Sometimes when you just visually see how easy it is, it's better than me just talking about it. I made these business cards, Vistaprint, paid $30. I got a big old box that'll last me a year. I just picked this red card because the white jumps off of it. I did a silhouette of a little race car, and Cory at CoryDraper.com. That's all I do. I just give the card out, and this is on a street level. I do not talk about LiveGood as in-depth as I am right now. I let the videos do everything. Guys, if you join me, I'm going to do nothing except tell you and beg you. Let videos do the recruiting and the storytelling. Let the companies do all the customer servicing, credit card processing, shipping, handling, returns. LiveGood does it all. $49.95. Okay, 1.7 million people have made a decision to come aboard. Guys, I've only been doing this a year and a half. And you know what? When I keep things really nice and simple, check this out. I must have 400 signs. Let me just scroll down and show you. Do you see right there? Look, I'm number 27. This is out of almost 1.7 million people, but I'm proud of this. I don't have experience in this type of realm of business, the realm of MLM, the network marketing affiliate guruism. Okay? I just like to keep things simple. So if you join my team, I'm going to tell you what funnel system I use. And like I said, even if LiveGood has the best funnel ever, I'm well aware that everyone's going to use that funnel in LiveGood. Maybe 1.7 million people. But I'm going to use the funnel that has made me a lot of money, 10 to 20 times more per sign up. LiveGood, you get $25 real quick the following Thursday after someone signs up. Guys, I'm used to making $200 to $400 to $600 a day just with my funnel system, because I have 4 opportunities to make money, 4 opportunities people join, including LiveGood, and all of them have things to do with education, training, leads, co-op, a funnel system that you can put paid traffic to. Then people make a decision, is LiveGood for me or not? Do I need that education? Okay. Do I need an email system? My email system is already working. I'm sending about 100,000 a day. All I do is write a little email, put a subject in, I hit click, in this business every 24 hours organically sends out emails for me to people looking for business opportunities online. Guys, I don't chase anybody. People come to me. It's like you're at a river and you put a big net across the river and these fish just swim into the net. That's how I look at this type of online business. Find people searching for something and give them what they want. If they want a cheeseburger, it'd be nice to probably have a cheeseburger place, right? If people want a delicious coffee, wouldn't it be nice to have just the best coffee, latte, iced coffee, warm coffee, whatever? Give the people what they want. And with a funnel system, you've got to do it. Okay, I'm just telling you straight up, a funnel works. You can do Live Good by yourself, but you're gonna find out that you're gonna want a funnel system. Okay, I'll tell you what I do. I'll end the video by you visiting my funnel. It's the best online. It's easy. You can fill 2 of your own businesses out of the 4 incomes. And if you have no idea, don't worry about it. Let me show you what I do. But you just got to go to pleasewatchvideo.com. Okay, pretty simple, guys. All right, get a hold of me if you need something. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, by the way. And I'm easy to get a hold of. Just get a hold of me on Facebook, inbox me, or Cory at corydraper.com. I make time for you guys. I'm not that busy where I'm just like, oh, give me 3 weeks and I'll get back to you. I'm not that guy. I'm a people guy. That's why I do video. Okay? Pleasewatchvideo.com. It's the best funnel out. And joincory.com is the best opportunity to get you going. It's only $9 and 95 little pennies, guys. Boom. I'm done. Okay. Thank you for your time. All right. And we'll see you next video, guys. You take care. Bye.